Let's talk about the recently launched Honor smartphone X7B 5G with streaming texture design. Now let's talk about the specifications of this smartphone. Firstly, talk about the display of this smartphone. This phone features with TFT LCD display, with 6.8 inches Full HD plus punch hole display, resolution of 1080 by 2412 pixels, approximately 87.3% screen to body ratio, 20:9. Aspect ratio, approximately 389 ppi pixel density, 850 nits peak brightness, and with 90 Hz refresh rate. And now talk about the camera of this smartphone. The smartphone with triple camera setup on the rear that includes 108 megapixel main camera with aperture 1.75, along with 2 megapixel macro camera with aperture 2.4, and with 2 megapixel depth camera with aperture 2.4. For selfies it has 8 megapixel centered punch hole front camera with aperture 2.0, video recording maximum 1080p at 30 fps on both rear and front camera. For the software, the handset turns on Android 13 operating system, based on exclusive optimized version of Magic OS 7.2 screen on top the device. Under the hood, the phone CPU is octa-core 2.2 GHz dual-core Cortex A76 plus 2 GHz Hexa Core Cortex A55, powered by MediaTek Dimensity 6020, 7nm chipset, paired with Mali G57MC. 2 GPU. In terms of storage, the smartphone plugs with 8 GB of LPDDR4X RAM, with 8 GB extended RAM, and 256 GB of UFS 2.2 onboard storage, no micro SD card slot. The physical dimensions of the smartphone measures at 166.7 by 76.5 by 8.24 mm, and it weighs around 199 grams, and the color options, midnight black, emerald green, crystal silver colors to see in this smartphone, and the device comes backed by a massive 6000 mAh battery, with 35 watt supercharge fast charging support. Additionally, the smartphone also features side-mounted fingerprint sensor for biometric authentication. With face unlock, the connectivity option on the phone includes dual SIM 5G, dual point Wi-Fi 5, Bluetooth 5.1, GPS, 3.5mm audio jack, with dual stereo speakers support, and a USB Type-C charging port. So now let's have a look at the pricing details of the smartphone. The Honor X7B 5G has been priced in Malaysia for 8GB plus 256GB storage variant at 849 Malaysian ringgits. Conclusion: so what do you guys think of this Honor X7B 5G smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below and subscribe for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.